honestly, I'm not going to lie. I am fascinated by this story. I mean, these are trees. You cut them down, you slice them up, and then you build stuff with them. How in the world is there a 50% jump in price in 30 days?
Brian, thanks for having me. It's remarkable. It is actually in the history of the sector, but a lot of it is just a physical constraint of the business. Trees take a long time to grow, and sawmills take a couple years to build. And beginning last year, when COVID and the recession hit, the sawmills slowed down. Projects that were expanding mill capacity slowed down. But meanwhile, everybody at home, as you mentioned, kept doing their projects. Home demand continued, and repair and remodeling just kept cooking along. I mean, right now, the housing stock in the United States is the oldest it's ever been in the history of the country. So people have repairs to do, and they still need that lumber.
Well, the question is, can they get it, Brooks? You might have seen this story, and I can't remember the source, so I apologize. Early, I got old man morning brain. All right. I saw a story a few days ago that a lumber yard sold the wood it had bought from a distributor back to the distributor at a profit, so the distributor could sell it to a different customer at an even greater profit. I mean, can you imagine if Procter & Gamble sells a bunch of Crest to a Walgreens and then says, can we buy the Crest back from you because we got somebody willing to pay more? That's happening now.
So it's remarkable because right now, a lot of the action is happening on the margin, just these contract deals, and even the financial markets are playing on the edge. At the end of the day, the market right now is constrained just by physical limitations to produce those boards. And right now, this year already, we've had several new sawmills open up. We have several new sawmills under construction. And all the sawmills that were looking to expand their capacity are doing so. And when you look at where the lines cross on supply and demand, you see things start to balance out later this year. So with respect to, can these high prices continue? They could, but on the ground, in terms of that ability to produce and supply the demand, the suppliers, the producers, they catch up by the end of this year.
And I want to be clear, according to your and other data I've seen, Brooks, there's no shortage of trees. I don't want to turn this into a nature show. There's plenty of trees. In some ways, there's plenty of wood. It sounds like there's just nobody that can cut it and move it fast enough. Is that correct?
Brian, that's exactly correct. In the U.S. South in particular, we're swimming in wood. And as a country, we grow 50% more volume in trees than we consume every year. So we have the raw material. As you mentioned, though, right now the constraint, it's at the mill. That ability to cut those round logs into square boards and get it to the marketplace, that's where we feel the pinch.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.